Here's the best side hustle to actually make some money online. This is perfect even if you're a complete beginner and work a full-time job, but you are going to need a laptop and a cell phone to make it work. And no, this isn't one of those things where you'll have to bombard your family and friends with the latest and greatest lotions and potions and snake oils. And don't worry, it's not overly competitive or highly saturated. It's actually a $315 billion industry and projected to more than double over the next 5 years. Now make sure you like and save this video so you can come back to it later, because this is going to be the most in-depth breakdown you've seen yet, and I had to split it into 3 parts. It's called affiliate marketing, and most of the major brands in the world like Amazon, Walmart, Target, they're all doing this. All right, let me show you exactly how to get this up and running for yourself. First thing you're going to need is an offer. This is simply the product or service that you're going to be promoting. You can find that on a website like Digistore24 right here, where you can create a free account. Another place to find these type of offers is clickbank.com, which we'll be using in this example. You're going to scroll down here to affiliate marketplace. When the page loads, it'll look like this. You can use this sidebar on the left to scroll through all the different product categories. We call these niches. Here's why I really prefer ClickBank over all the other sites. They have all their top offers already categorized for you. This is a perfect feature for beginners because you don't have to waste time trying to figure out what does and doesn't sell. They're literally showing you all of the best offers that affiliates are having success promoting, but most importantly, the customers are getting good results. We're going to find an offer that pays high commissions like this one, but also has a reoccurring sale. Click promote. From there, we're going to generate a hop link. This is just ClickBank's terminology for an affiliate link. Type in your account nickname and hit create hop link. It's going to generate your affiliate link down here. Hit copy. Now, when somebody buys that product through your link, you get paid a commission. My personal favorite way to do this is with high ticket affiliate marketing, where you're making $1,000 or more per sale. Now, the 2 most common questions I get are, where do I promote my affiliate link and how do I promote it? And I'm going to answer those exact questions in part 2 and 3. Now, if you don't want to wait on both those videos to drop, head on over to my YouTube, which you can find linked on my profile page, where I answer both those questions and even show you the best high ticket offer to promote.